This is a CorelDRAW master fill or batch print file. It stores fill patterns or print settings. It is not a drawing itself, it's a resource for the main program. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain its use. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the BPT format and dozens of others obsolete. A BPT file is associated with Corel Designer and CorelDRAW Technical Suite, formerly Corel Designer. It stores a template or master page used for creating technical illustrations, diagrams, and documentation. BPT files ensure consistency in design and layout across multiple documents, streamlining the creation process. BPT files contain layout information, styles, and object placeholders. They define the overall structure and appearance of a document. When a new document is created from a BPT template, it inherits these properties, allowing users to quickly create professional-looking technical drawings and illustrations. Your primary software solution for BPT files should be Corel Designer from Corel Corporation. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows shows basic previews for common types, while detailed editing needs design applications. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your BPT file and hit Open With. Try the recommended Corel Designer first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If you are still having trouble opening the BPT file, do not worry. This format is tricky. Since the BPT file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, use CorelDRAW. Open the file using CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, the required application for the bitmap pattern. Next, check installation path. Ensure the BPT file is placed in the correct content folder for CorelDRAW. Finally, check version. Ensure your CorelDRAW version is compatible with the version that created the file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.